Alrighty, let's see what we, oh, look, glitter. I got, what is this? Easy Marble, Marabou Easy Marble, marbling paints. Good heavens, there seem to be a lot of them in here. 5 pieces. Oh, that's right, I got the new collection. There's a new collection of Marabou Easy Marble paints out for hydro dipping. 20 pieces in all, and it looks like they send them in boxes of 5. And then I ordered a couple extra colors I don't have. Oh, this is alcohol ink in rainbow, and this alcohol ink is cherry red. And this is a Marabou marbling paint that wasn't included in this collection, I believe. I think it's clear. I think the best way to get your what's already on your cup to show through the hydro dipping is to include some drops of clear. So you glitter your cup, you epoxy it, you do the hydro dipping with some whatever colors you want, including clear, and wherever clear sticks to the cup, the glitter shows through from underneath. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Can you see those shapes? Sorry. Look at those shapes. Different sizes of circles. What would they be? Different sizes of, well, they're circles. Rings, that's it. Different sizes of rings. How cool is that? What am I going to use that for? I don't know. Let's just see what we have. We have our shapes. Okay, so these 4 I ordered separately. These 6 came in the Pride pack, meaning that these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a shape. This was my flash sale. Well, cool beans. I'm loving all that. So much fun glitter to play with. Oh boy. What are we gonna do, gang? Something that uses hydro dipping, glitter, and washi tape. Start leaving me comments on what this is gonna be. Okay, we'll check out our brand new Marabou hydro dipping Easy Marble paints. Okay, everybody, stay tuned for what we do next. Probably hydro dipping, but we'll see. Hey folks, we are back on the deck, ready for some more hydro dipping. I got all of these new Marabou Easy Marble paints, and we're gonna try some out this morning before the heat hits the deck. We're out here early, pre-sunshine on the deck. So it's still high 60s, not the 90s it's going to be when the sun gets here. All right, so for our first one, I have a 20-ounce skinny spray painted matte white, and we are going to do 4 colors in the Marabou. This is lilac, and then metallic, which is a combination of teal, silver, and red, and a glitter, which is a combo of violet, blue, and green, and then a dark turquoise. So those are the colors that I'm going to put in here. I will dip and twist, and we will see what we get. Start with the turquoise. I have already shaken these up off camera, hopefully really well. I tried. Okay, turquoise, and this is the, I don't know which one this is. I think this is the metallic. Whoops. Most of it on my deck. No, this looks like the glitter. Okay. And the lilac. Okay. And then if that was the glitter, then this is the metallic. All right. Whew. And then a little more turquoise. That should do her. Marble. Tack it to the edges, spread it out. And here we go. Dip and twist. Ooh, look at that, boys and girls. Isn't that beautiful? Wowee. All right, I'm gonna hit it with a, I almost said heat gun, but my blow dryer. Hang on. Turn this up. For the next one, we are doing a 12-ounce wine tumbler. It is already powder coated in turquoise, well, teal. So for this one, we're going to be using pearl white, which is I guess a metallic, an iridescent, rose gold. This is a glitter in blue, green, gold, and amethyst, which is a really dark purple. All right, let's start with the rose gold. One of my hairs. Yuck. You can barely see that. Except on the deck. Looks really good on the deck. Okay, rose gold. This is the amethyst purple. This will be a dark contrast color. Okay, this is pearl white. I'm guessing it will not be opaque, so we'll still see the powder coat base of the cup. Okay, and this is the metallic. Or no, actually this is a glitter, obviously. I don't know, can you see the glitter? It's definitely glittery. All right. What do I do with my, I have another one. Okay, marble. Tack it to the outside, spread it out. And here we go, dip and twist. That's nice. That's pretty. I suspect in the sunshine, the glitter and the pearlescence will show up better, but that's beautiful. All right. I wonder, that bald spot there, let's see what happens if I dip it. Well, it's not bald anymore. I don't know about this one. I was hoping that would help, but it didn't. It botched it up. Oh, dang it. All right, for this next one, I'm doing a Schwartz black, antique silver, which is pretty dark. Okay, we'll do this glitter, which is green, red, and gold. I was going to save this for Christmassy stuff, but we'll see what it looks like. All right, so we have antique gray, we have black, and we have glitter. Okay, here we go, folks. So we'll start with antique silver, which is a dark silver, but should be metallic. Yep, I can see a sheen. Okay. And then we'll do, what's this one? This is the glitter in green, red, and gold. Ooh, that'll be interesting on a teal cup. All right. We'll do some Schwartz black, just a little bit. I want the contrast, but not a lot. And we'll end with copper. All right. Marble. Tack it to the edges. Okay. Let's see if I can do a better dip and twist. Ooh, pretty. Very pretty. I like this better than the other one. This one worked out really well. Oh, that's beautiful. All right. All right, for this next one, I have a 20-ounce skinny painted white, and we are going to do the neons. These are new. Just got these. We have neon pink, neon green, neon yellow, and neon orange. So we're just going to do all four. I did change my water. The camera ran out of battery juice, and I took the opportunity while I was recharging to change the water in the bucket. Start with neon pink. Now when I did don't talk, Cindy, just do it. Oh, this is that. There's something in there. Okay, neon pink, neon yellow, neon orange, and neon green. Did I do neon green already? It's hard to tell. All right. A little more pink, just because. Okay. Swirl. Nope, that's already losing a glop there. I waited too long. Shoot, man. Okay. Here we go. Ooh, look at that baby. Oh yeah. I just like these so much better than the magic ones. Okay, let me blow dry this off. And for this last one, we are going to go back, and I may not even show this on the video. We're going to go back and do one that we've done before. Okay, for our last, we are going to do Superman colors, red, blue, yellow. Start with blue, because I want mostly blue. A little less of the red. And even less of the yellow. Fine, and then back to the blue. Alright. And we marble, and we stick it to the side. Get all that gloppies out of there. And we dip and twist. Pretty good. Okay folks, we're back. We're going to do a quick recap on what we just hydro dipped. I believe this was the very first one. I think this turned out so pretty. These are not 100% dried, so I'm not going to turn them over. Let's see if I can get you a decent view. Okay, out here in the sun, I think this is really, really stunning. I think this turned out beautifully. I'm really, really pleased with this first one. It's just absolutely gorgeous. I don't want to turn the phone because then you'll be looking sideways. Absolutely gorgeous. Here's the next one I did, and it was beautiful until I saw that there was a bald spot on one place, and I tried to redip, and I ended up with this sort of overly painted place on the back. Although now that it's dried, I don't dislike it as much. I don't know if you can see the sparkles, but the glitter from the glitter paint, that was one of the easy marbles we used, is really, really sparkly here in the sun. If it doesn't come through, I apologize. You'll have to take my word for it. If anybody has any great ideas for graphics I could use here, I was thinking a mermaid or something like that, sort of under the sea. Not sure, but this is really a gorgeous cup. So that was number 2. And our other teal wine cup was number 3. And this may look the same on screen. Again, the metallic glitter, the metallics and the glitter coming through are just gorgeous. This was black, antique silver, and pearl white, I believe. And then I added copper at the last second. So you can see the veins of copper going through there, I hope. This turned out stunning. I mean, this is just really, Really gorgeous. I'm very, very happy with this one. Okay, then I had a camera run out of battery situation, so I emptied my bucket of water and refilled it, and when we came back I did neons. And again, I am just, there are a couple spots that there are a couple spots with nothing on them, but you know, that's okay. Again, that's where a decal can go. Here's another couple decals, vinyl. This seems to be, oh, I don't know, tropical, beachy, certainly summer. Is really, really gorgeous. I love these paints. I'm so happy I got this new collection. I really encourage you to try these out. They're beautiful. And last but definitely not least is my next Superman cup attempt. I've got this thing going on here that's a little weird looking at the rim. I mentioned putting something around the rim, I think, earlier in the video. I may have cut that out. But anyway, maybe red sparkly washi tape around the, or even just plain red or blue. We'll see what I have. I got that whole collection of washi tape just now. And then there's this blob down here, about halfway. So that might be where the Superman chest emblem goes. So I'm very happy with how this turned out. It's beautiful. It'll make another great Superman cup. So there you have it. I'll let these dry. I'll continue working on them, but for the purposes of this hydrodip and the glitter guy unboxing video, I think we're calling it the end of the video here. Thank you so much. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.